Today, I will show you how to log in or sign up or create an account on Padlet. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Download your Padlet app from Play Store or App Store, then open it, and it's going to open directly on the register page. Click sign up or login, and then it's going to take you to another page. Here you have to choose your sign up method. For me, I want to sign up with Google. Just click and choose here your Google account that you want to use. For me, I want to use this one. Click continue. And after that, it's going to take you back to your application Padlet. And as you can see right now here, it's going to take you to this page. For us, we want just the free option. Click continue on free. And that's all, guys. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and